Today we are going to learn how to write small alphabets. I'll show you the procedure. You can follow the step-by-step process. Let's learn how to write A first. Draw something like a C. And then add another curve. Let's learn how to write B. Draw a line and then complete it with a curve. C is very simple. It's just a simple curve. Let's learn how to write D. First a curve, and then a line coming from the top. Let's learn how to write E. Something like this. And then extend it. Let's learn how to write F. A curve like this and a straight line cutting through the curve. Let's learn how to write G. A circle like this and a straight line stretching at the bottom of the circle. Let's learn how to write H. A straight line and then a curve. Let's learn how to write I. A slant line like this, a curve like this, and the dot. The dot is very important. Let's learn how to write J. A slant line, a curve like this, and the dot. Let's come to K now. Draw a straight line, a circle in the middle, and a tail at the bottom of the circle. Let's learn how to write L. A slant line, curved at the top and stretched like this at the bottom. Let's learn how to write M. A small line, a curve attached to the line, another curve attached to the curve. That's how M is written. Let's learn how to write N. A straight line and a curve attached to the line. Let's learn how to write O. A slant line, a circle, a curve inside the circle. Let's learn how to write P. A slant line, a straight line, and a curve in between. Let's come to Q now. A circle like this, a straight line, and a slant line at the tip of the straight line. Let's learn how to write R. A straight line, and then a wave-like curve. Let's learn how to write S. A straight line like this, and in between a curve. Let's learn how to write T. A straight line, a slant line actually. Stretch like this with a horizontal line cutting through the T. Let's learn how to write U. Write it like this, and then a curve attached to it. Let's learn how to write V. A slant line like this, and another slant line joining at the tip. Let's learn how to write W. A slant line, another line, a shorter line, another slant line like this, and the final slant line. This is how W is written. Let's come to X now. Write a curve like this, another curve facing the previous curve. This is how X is written. Let's come to Y now. Write something like a U, and a curve attached at the bottom. Let's learn how to write Z. A curve like this, another curve like this. It looks something similar to a 3. So another curve like this, and complete the curve. So today we learned how to write the alphabets, and I'll give you a simple tip. You can see that there are directions given written on the alphabets. You can follow through the directions. There is no fixed rule as such, but if you follow the guide, this will make your task easy. Meet you again in the next class.